Hello everybody, Scotto here, coming to you live from Early Iron Speed and Custom in Ocala, Florida. We're on a reliability run today, and we just arrived. We've been driving around for an hour and a half or so to get here, and so we're in the parking area here at Early Iron Speed and Custom, and we'll do a quick walk around of the congregation of vehicles here, and a lot of traditionally styled hot rods here, mostly hot rods. A few customs and a couple 60s cars, and we'll just have a look. All right, hope you guys enjoy this, and happy Saturday. Let's go look at some of the beautiful cars. We saw a few of these last night for those of you that are watching today, to our event last night. So we'll just walk through here and see the beauty of these wonderful cars. This thing is absolutely sick.
Nothing's worse than being riding with everybody and you're doing 50.
And we'll go over here. Got a little bit of variety. A lot of people have come from different parts of this state and many other states to participate here today. We're going to just walk through here and excuse ourselves here. There's a beautiful 37 Ford here, Mercury. We'll walk through here. That's the speed shop over here. And again, this is a grand opening today. Go right ahead, don't worry, you're part of it. You're on Customikes Live, thank you. Here's the shop name right here. Let me look at the back of your t-shirt real quick. There we go, Early Iron Speed and Custom. There you go. Thank you, sir. There's a lot of beautiful cars here today. The weather's nice. We had a little sprinkle on the way in this morning, a little bit further west on the state, and nothing torrential, which was very cool. It's kept the temperature down, the humidity's down, and I rolled with these two fellows here, these two hot rods in, along with that Mercury I started off with, that 40 Mercury. Walk through here, and we'll go in the shop here in a little bit. No worries, you don't have to duck, you're part of it. Live on Customikes. At the side parking lot, we probably have 40 or 50 cars here today. Yeah, it's a speed shop there. This is an old gas station that was that the owner Ryan bought, and has created this really cool speed shop. I'm going to continue across the street. There we go. Very cool. We got cars on the side, we got cars around back, and we'll walk over there as soon as traffic is clear. But again, today's the grand opening, and we'll do a quick walk around the building. We'll take a quick walk inside and see what's going on in there. And hope you guys can enjoy this. And if you're in the area, if you're here in Florida, Central Florida, don't hesitate to come by. We'll be here for a few hours this afternoon. A lot of really cool cars here. Like I say, mostly hot rods. Got a few customs and a couple of stockers. And then a contemporary build here with a blown something another, and that car, that truck there, beautiful truck. This one here, this is out of South Carolina. They brought this down. People from all over the Northeast have brought cars down here for this event. It's really amazing this time of year that you get so many people that come out and participate in this event. But the main event is also the Moonshine Reliability Run, and we're opening up. I say we. Ryan's opening up his shop today. Same person to all these people here, and hopefully we can spread the word. Got some really cool cars. Moonshine Reliability Run at Moonshine Acres RV Park is where we're spending the night. Last night and some people tonight. Let me get out of here and get out to the front of these cars, give you a perspective. We got a cool beautiful. All right, now we've gone full circle here. We're going to walk back into the shop. And just about every kind of engine that you can think of are in some of these hot rods here. Blown Hemi, wow. Yikes. I'm gonna walk in from the back. This one here, this 30 coupe with a Hemi in it. This thing's just evil, mean, wicked, and nasty. 4 carburetors on it. Whoa, wow. Yeah, let's go in the shop. I've not been in here before, and now I have. We got projects going on. And this is where we're at. Early Iron Speed and Custom. There's the logo again. We got some fan going on. Lots of cool stuff in here. We got engines, we got cars. We have chassis. We have, okay, let's change that up. Got another build over here. I got some equipment over there. And let's go into the main room here. What's going on? We got somebody pinstriping here. Ooh, we got the S that I like. Okay, I'm going to slip right past you here. I'm going to slip into the front room. Looks like they got a little museum activity going on here. So let's walk around. Look at that. Lots of magazines. Wow, look at that. Lots of cool stuff, radiators. The goodies in there. Very cool. All right. Hey, George Benson from Liverpool. Thanks for joining us here in Ocala, Florida. Very cool. And we still got more people.
20, 40, 60,
More people
is your change. You're welcome.
coming in from here.
Beautiful. Love it.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
I'm so excited. So much hard work. Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna take it from here, and we're going to stop for now. And thanks for joining us here at the Early Iron Speed and Custom here in Ocala, Florida. Again, this is Scotto. Thanks for joining us, and you guys have a fantastic day wherever you may be.